Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Bardeep. Today we are continuing our exercise number 3.4 of chapter 3, that is pair of linear equations in two variables of grade 10. So the fourth part of second question is Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. So total she got 25 notes. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Again, important type of question. So now let's see, total amount she withdrew is 2000, but total notes are 25. So since we need to find the number of notes of 50 and 100, let us assume this to be x and y. So let number of 50 rupees notes be x and number of 100 rupees notes be y. So what is given in the question? Total notes is 25. Let us understand this. Suppose I am taking 50 and 100. Let this note I have taken as x and this as y. So let's understand this in generalized way. Suppose I am having 10 rupees note and 20 rupees note. Let us suppose that I have 10 notes of 10 rupees and 5 notes of 20 rupees. Then what is the amount that I am having? So amount will be 10 into 10 because 10 notes I am having of rupees 10. So what is the amount of this? This is 10 into 10 is 100. So I will multiply this. So 10 into 10 it is 100 rupees for this. And again 20 rupees note I have 5. So each note is of 20 rupees. So total I have 5 notes. So 20 into 5 is again 100. So what is the total amount I am having? That is 100 plus 100. So this is 200. But what are the number of notes? I have 10 as 10 rupees note and 5 of 20 rupees note. So number of notes I am having. So this is the basic thing in this question. So number of notes is this 10 plus 5, that is 15. But amount is rupees 200. So this is the key point of this question, that when you assume the number of notes as x and y, suppose I am taking this as x, this as y, when they have asked us the number of notes, the total number of notes is 10 plus 5, or we can say x plus y. So if they ask us number of notes, so it should be x plus y. But when it comes to the amount, how to calculate amount? You should multiply your currency with the number of notes you are having. So 10 with 10 and 20 with 5. So 10 with x. Okay. See 10. I am having x notes of 10 rupees. So total amount will be 10 multiplied by x. That is 10 into 10 is 100. And 20 with 5 or 20 with y. So what I am trying to explain is, whatever is the denomination of your currency note, that value should be multiplied by the number of notes to find the amount. So in this case, 50 should be multiplied with x and 100 should be multiplied with y. So amount that this person is having is 50 times x plus 100 times y. So this is the main key point of this question, that you should know how to find the value of the total amount that she is having. So this is always the number of notes multiplied by the currency note. So number of notes multiplied by the second currency note. But if they are asking total number of notes, then directly you should add x plus y. Okay. So now let's solve this question. So therefore the first thing is, total notes are 25. So total notes are x plus y. So we will write therefore x plus y is equal to 25. So this is my first equation. Second is total amount withdrawn is 2000 rupees. So how to calculate the total money? This is we have already done, that is 50 times x plus 100 times y. So 50 means 50 rupees note and the number of notes are x. So 50 times x plus 100 times y and together this is 2000. So again we can see that we can have 50 as common factors just to reduce the coefficients. So x plus 2y is 2000. So now this 50 will shift to other side. So this is x plus 2y equals to 2000 divided by 50. 0 and 0 is cancelled, so 40. So x plus 2y equals to 40 is our second equation. So now we can see equation number 1 and 2 both have x as one coefficient. Directly subtract them. So do 1 minus 2. So this is x plus y equals to 25. X plus 2y equals to 40. See, subtraction means change the signs. This is cancelled. So y minus 2y is minus y. 25 minus 40 is minus 50. So y is 50 in our case. Okay. So now let's eliminate y. So here y is 1. Here coefficient of y is 2. So we will multiply our first equation with 2. So multiply one equation by 2. So this is 2x plus 2y is equals to 50. Let this equation be 3. So now this is 2x plus 2y. This is x plus 2y. Both are having 2y. So we will subtract them to eliminate this. So 2 minus 3. So 2 is x plus 2y equals to 40. Here it is 2x plus 2y equals to 50. Change the signs. 2y is cancelled. This is x minus 2x is minus x. 40 minus 50 is minus 10. So what is the value of x? That is 10. So our question was number of 50 rupees note. So number of 50 rupees notes are x, that is 10. So we will write therefore number of 50 rupees notes equals to x and x is 10. Number of 100 rupees notes equals to y and y is 50. I repeat what we have done. We have assumed the number of notes of each denomination as x and y. Then we will frame our equation. Whenever it is total notes, we will do x plus y. Whenever is the amount, that we will multiply our number of notes with the currency note. That is 50 times x plus 100 times y. Equate our this equation to the amount that she has withdrawn. Elimination method is used to find the value of x and y. So I hope this part is clear to you. Now let's see the last part. So fifth part of second question is, a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. That means for the first 3 days, book is free. Saritha paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. So find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So let's understand this question. Let fixed charge for first 3 days be rupees x. Okay, and additional charge for each day is rupees y. So charge for whatever is asked in the question, each extra day is rupees y. So now let's frame equations. Saritha paid rupees 27 for a book she kept for 7 days. So out of 7 days, 3 days charge is X rupees. So what is the remaining number of days? That is 7 minus 3 as 4. So what charge she has to pay? This is X for the first 3 days and remaining number of days are 4. So for each day she has to pay Y. So for 4 days she has to pay 4 times Y and together she paid rupees 27. So this is our first equation. Second is Susie paid 21 rupees. So she has paid 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. So again, out of 5, for 3 days she will pay X and for the remaining 2 days, 5 minus 3, 2. So the remaining 2 days she will pay 2Y rupees. Together it is 21. Hence we have our equations. So let's solve it. Again, X is same in both the equations. Directly subtract them. So 1 minus 2, X plus 4Y equals to 27. X plus 2Y equals to 21. Minus, minus, minus. These are cancelled. 4Y minus 2Y is 2Y. 27 minus 21 is 6. So what is the value of Y then? This is 6 by 2, that is 3. So Y's value is 3. Okay. So now let's see the coefficient of Y. In first equation this is 4Y. In second this is 2Y. So we will multiply our second equation with 2 so that in both the equations we have 4Y. So we will write multiply second equation by 2. So our equation will be 2x plus 4y. 21 2s are 42. So this is our third equation now. Okay. So this is plus 4y. This is also plus 4y. So again we have to subtract. So operate 2 minus 3. Not 2 minus 3. Actually 1 minus 3 because from 2 we have done this. Okay. From 2, equation 3 is formed. So 1 minus 3, that is x plus 4y equals to 27. And second is 2x plus 4y equals to 42. So since subtraction changed the signs, this is cancelled. X minus 2x is minus x. 27 minus 42. So 2 minus 7 is 5 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So minus 15, x is equal to 15. Okay. So fixed charges are 15 rupees and for each extra day charge is 3 rupees. So fixed charge equals to rupees x, that is 15, and charge for each extra day equals to rupees y, and y is 3. So see how simple this question is. The only key point is fixed charge is for the first 3 days. So whatever number of days they have given to you, always subtract 3 from that number to find the value of the amount that is paid for each extra day. This is the only thing. So don't write like this x plus 7y because it is kept for 7 days. No. Out of 7, for 3 days, she has to pay only rupees x. So x plus 4y, not 7y. Similarly, since second book is kept for 5 days, so again 3 is for rupees x only. And the next 2 days, she has to pay 2 times y. So I hope this type of question is also clear to you. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the next exercise of this chapter. Thank you.